Want to know the tricks that make professional photographers stand out? Welcome to 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. This week we're exploring posing, lighting, camera settings and retouching to help you capture amazing boudoir photos. Let's jump right in. Today's pose is incredibly sensual and beautiful, but it's also one of the most challenging poses we do with clients. It's definitely not suitable for everyone, as it requires a good deal of flexibility and strength. Let me walk you through how I guide this pose. We start by positioning our model in front of the bed. I ask her to place the right knee, that's the one that's closer to the light source, onto the bed. Then she leans her upper body forward into the bed, placing her hands directly under her shoulders. It's crucial that the hands are shoulder width apart and positioned directly beneath her shoulders to create a stable base. The next step is key. I ask her to find balance on her right leg and arms. Once she has found her balance, I guide her into arching her back by rotating her pelvis as far back as possible while keeping her gaze forward. Her hair should be draped naturally over her back. We use the natural light from the large windows to her right, and I shoot from a slightly lower angle positioned to the left behind her. This angle elongates her legs and creates beautiful proportions. Camera settings. Since we are working with a backlighting, side lighting, whatsoever angle, we want to protect the white points, and I shoot with an aperture at f1.8, shutter speed is at 1/200th of a second and the ISO is set at 100. Hi everyone! My exclusive Lightroom presets are now available. Grab the tools that will transform your photography today. You'll find the link to the presets in the video description. When it comes to photo editing, we start by selecting one of our beautiful Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Ultimate Pack presets to create strong contrast and accentuate her body in a sensual way. For this pose, I love using the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Black and White Bright and Airy preset. You can find our Boudoir Secrets Masterclass presets in our online shop and our app, and I provide the link below the video. Next, I adjust the white balance. In our studio, the color temperature is set at 5500 with a tint of 15. Even when working with black and white, the white balance plays a key role in converting colors to grayscale. I increase the exposure significantly by 2 stops, as I always protect the white points during the shoot and adjust the exposure later in post-processing. To bring out more contrast, I reduce the shadows by 25. Finally, I make slight adjustments to the crop and upright to perfectly frame her in the shot. And that's it. Our stunning boudoir photo is complete. Thanks for watching 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Join us next Saturday for another episode. And if you enjoyed this, check out the next video here. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.